Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fold pants. Firstly, lay jeans flat on a fold one pant leg over the other. Fold the top pant leg diagonally and then roll the jeans from the waistband down tightly, leaving out the folded pant leg. Tuck the rolled jeans into the unfolded pant leg for compact storage option. Now smooth out the jeans, then fold them over lengthwise. Fold both ends to the center so they meet in the middle, and then fold it once more to create a neat flat fold. Finally, lay the jeans flat with the front facing up, fold the pants leg over the knee, then fold up the top of the front pockets. Fold the one side over the other, showcasing the back pockets for a neat, compact fold. Now lay the jeans flat again, then fold them over lengthwise. Start from the hem and tightly roll the jeans towards the waistband, making sure to flatten wrinkles as you go. Use clip hangers to hang pants by the waistband. Fold the pants lengthwise before clipping, which helps keep them pressed without stretching or creasing. For dress pants, use clamps to hang by the cuffs. This prevents creasing and allows to hang them high enough to your closet. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.